Hi everyone, my name is Nala Chane, working for a company called Health by Choice that is based in Maseru, Lesotho. So today I've just decided to relax and talk about stuff that will relate all of us. You can just ask questions and comment. You can add more. You can also do what you call constructive criticism. We also do allow criticism because we don't claim to know everything. We grow as we live as we grow. So thank you so much. Today I've just decided to talk about food substitutions. What to substitute what with what and why, we educate people, or we advise people to take the plant-based diet, as we believe that it is the most powerful one. It has got massive and beautiful benefits. For instance, people who are diabetic, people who have high blood pressure, arthritis, acne, chest pains, flus and fevers, they can only live well through a plant-based diet. Now, plant-based diet, what does it mean? It means that a person doesn't take dairy products, things that are from animals, which is your meats and it means that you can only use sugars that are from the plant, salts that are from the plant or from the soil. And yeah, I hope you get me already now. Okay, then how do we substitute food? People, they always ask me, and then if we don't eat eggs, we don't eat dairy, we don't take meat, then where we will get protein? I always answer them like this. Meat is not protein, eggs are not protein, dairy is not protein. It's true that all these things that I've just mentioned, they have protein, we find protein in them, but what are the side effects? You need to be considerate before you eat each and everything. Ask yourself, apply your brain, apply your mind in each and everything that you eat. Is it going to benefit me? Yes, but what are the side effects? Then that's when, as Healthy by Choice, get in. We try to educate people. You know what, guys? Take your legumes, take your lentils, take your red lentils, your green lentils, your black lentils, your brown lentils, your beans, your mung beans, your chico beans, your cannellini beans, your red kidney beans, your garbanzo beans, your pinto beans, your sugar beans, and educate yourself much about food and understand it, and understand why are you eating and why do you have to eat healthy, because you want to live long, and longevity, of course, it's one of the benefits. And if you are married, it means that you will not experience early ejaculation. And if you are single, it means that you cannot just fall. You cannot just want to do things that are not supposed to be done by single people, simply because you can control yourself. If you can, in fact, people say if you can control your tongue, you can also control your body. You can also have self-control, which is very important, both in people who are married and who are not married. If you are married, you have to be controlled. You have self-control for your partner because you're no longer living alone. But that is the topic for another day. I'm not about that today. And then we also have chickpeas. We also have split peas. That's one of the proteins that you can have. Almost every, in fact, all vegetables in the world, they have protein. We find protein from vegetables, but unfortunately our society, it has been educated otherwise, that if I can have pap and my meat and then I can just have few vegetables, then I'll be okay. Yeah, you might enjoy that food, but in the long run, it's going to be a problem. It's going to give you diseases. It's going to, we are not trying to criticize other plates here. Rather, we are educating people to come and enjoy and learn more about preparing food the palatable way, the good way, and the nice way. the aroma and the flavor, they're out of this world. We promise you. Now with the spices, remember that on my previous videos here on YouTube, I've tried to educate people about spices, which spices they should buy, like MSG free, GMO free, and non-irradiated spices, and why. Because they're going to ruin your brain. They're going to, you're going to be tired even before you start your day, since because you're not eating well. So let's try by all means to eat well. Of course, you're not expecting people to be best chefs while they are still starting. There are always baby steps. I was once an amateur, and I tried to learn, I tried to engage myself, I tried to collect all the information that I could have, just to have this thing interesting. Because if you only have one side of lifestyle, the other side, if it is failing, it's still going to affect you. For instance, you can't eat health while you are not exercising, while you're not getting fresh air, while you are not resting, while we are not having great nutrients, while, you name them all the 8 natural doctors, they are all important. So then other proteins that you can have, it's aubergine, you can have mushrooms. We've got types of mushroom: black mushroom, white mushroom, black oyster mushroom, white oyster mushroom, and every other mushrooms that we have in the world, you name them all. And also we can have what we call tofu, or other people, they know tofu as bean curd. Bean curd, it's very much important to have, because if you want to make your yogurts, you will have to use bean curd. If you want to make your sauces, you will have to use bean curd. If you want to make scrambled tofu, tofu mayo, so this life, make it interesting, so that the next person who is watching you cannot say, "No, I will never do this because of A, B, C, and D." Make it a point that you present your food very well, and you're so confident about what you do. That is what is important, because people, they might believe in your action, but your word, it has to be convincing. And you should be able to convince people. That's what I mean. And then other proteins that you may have, it's nuts. We have plenty of nuts, like different types of nuts: your macadamia, your walnuts, your pecan nuts, your hazelnuts, your whole nuts, your cashew nuts, your almond nuts, your peanuts, everything. We have nuts, but don't take too much of nuts, because there is too much protein there as well. And also, each and every nut, it gives benefits in each and every part of the body that is shaping like it. For instance, pecan nut, it helps a lot with brain, because pecan nut, its shape is like a brain. It looks like a brain. So I hope you do get the message, guys. Otherwise, this is my short video of me trying to engage you guys. Please do ask questions on the box below. I will definitely answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Goodbye.